Welcome to this video on the history of the Philippine educational system. This first part explores how the teaching profession and educational goals have evolved over time. The Philippine educational system has transformed throughout history, driven by the changing goals of each governing power. Let us examine these shifting purposes. During the pre-Spanish period, education focused on survival and enculturation. Learning was informal, practical, and based on observation and experience. Under Spanish rule, the goal shifted to the propagation of Christianity. Schools were established for religious and vocational training, eventually leading to the first public school system in 1863. The American period introduced a democratic ideal, aiming to prepare Filipinos for self-government. Education became a tool for instilling democratic values. This period structured the school system into elementary, secondary, and tertiary levels, with a curriculum focused on the basics, civics, and character development. During the Commonwealth period, the focus shifted to preparing for independence, emphasizing civic duty and the development of a national identity through language. Legislative actions during this time overhauled the elementary system, mandated patriotic rituals in schools, and professionalized the teaching corps. The Japanese era prioritized education for the, quote, Greater East Asia co-prosperity sphere, emphasizing vocational training, manual labor, and the integration of Japanese language and culture. Following the war, the Republic focused on a democratic rebirth, aiming for equal educational opportunities and nation-building through social orientation and community development. Key legislation during the Republic era included the Magna Carta for public school teachers and the establishment of various laws to improve the quality and accessibility of education. The New Society period aimed for national development, linking education to broader national goals like economic stability and social services. This era introduced a bilingual policy and implemented various community-based approaches and standardized tests to monitor student progress. This matrix summarizes the evolution of the Philippine educational system across different eras, highlighting the shift in primary aims, instructional language, and curricular focus. Thank you for watching this overview. Please use this information to help prepare for your exams. This concludes Part 1.